So here's how you pull the dash or the front two vents out of a 2007 Lexus ES350. First, you smash everybody out. Smash, 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 right? Throw it on the ground. Once you get it to there, you just reach in and you grab it and you break what you gotta break and you pull it out. And pop this guy out and you're all done. So there it is. Pulled out delicately. Got your new security tab in. Let's pop the new one in. So, time to put the new vent in. So, let's one-handed snap the security in. He's in. And then get her close. And snap everybody in. Perfect.